Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. The time is not relevant. What is relevant is that you are watching the vlog. Welcome back, everybody, to the next vlog. So, how have you guys been doing? I hope you have been doing well. Today, we are going to talk about something pretty interesting. In today's time, so this is 2025, talent is not enough. So what do I mean by that? That talent is not enough. Having talent, it doesn't take you anywhere. Otherwise, they're very talented. There are people who are more talented than you and me, but that is just not enough. What is enough in today's world is you have to keep showing up every day. You have to face the grind. You have to face difficulties. You've got to be talented and you've got to be hardworking as well. Only then can you reach somewhere. Because if just talent was enough, then most of us would have reached somewhere or the other in life. We would have been at a position which is we would have been at a place which we wanted to be in, which is really the case. So just talent is not enough in today's world, guys. You've got to be really, really consistent in what you are doing. You've got to show up every day, and you've got to face your problems. You've got to face your demons. You've got to face whatever is bothering you. Successful people in life, or people you admire, or people who've done really well for themselves. Do you think that it is just talent, or it is just by luck that they reach where they are? Do you think that? If you think that, then bro, can you be more delulu? Yeah, it's not just talent, it's consistency, it's hard work, and it's that stubbornness actually which gets you ahead. That no, what I am doing or what I am saying is right, and even if your surroundings, people around you don't realize that, but when you start winning, when things start happening, then even the naysayers are like, be okay man, be ठीक है, भी कर ले यार वो चीज़, वाह यार वो चीज़ कर ली तू. So I hope you guys can relate to this. So you're gonna have the stubbornness, you're gonna be that, जिद चाहिए अंदर, जिद्दी चाहिए बंदा बहुत लेवल ਦਾ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਓਨਲੀ ਯੂ ਸੀ ਸਕਸੈਸਫੁਲ ਪੀਪਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ 'ਚ ਦੇਖੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਡਮਾਇਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਕਾਮਨ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ. ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੈਲਫ ਬਿਲੀਵ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਟੂ ਦ ਸਟਾਰਸ, ਵੀ ਉਹ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਨੇ. ਐਂਡ ਦੂਜੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿੱਦੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ. They'll be very stubborn in the sense that stubborn in wanting to do that thing. जो उन्होंने दिमाग 'ਚ आ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕਰਕੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਜੋ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ. So that is what I have seen, and that is what I have learned. You've got to be very stubborn, and you've got to be very, very consistent and talented and hardworking. It's a mix of this concoction that then फिर आप कह सकते हैं हाँ, then you have potential to be successful, and then you start seeing things happening and you see things working. And because most of us ना ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ हैं, ਆਪਾਂ we just think that oh यार I'm so talented, यार मेरा कुछ बनता था पिया नहीं, oh यार I'm so hard working, मैं दिन 'ਚ कितने घंटे काम कर रहा, look at me how hard I'm working, still मेरा कुछ नहीं बन रहा. It doesn't matter, nobody cares, even the system doesn't care how hard working you are. You've got to have a mix of concoctions. You've got to be hardworking, you've got to be talented, you've got to be very stubborn, you've got to be able to see the world differently than what is happening around. And you've got to be adamant on what you want to do. You can't just sway around. You can't just say that okay, somebody told me to go left, I go left, somebody told me to go right, I go right. No, you've got to have that vision. That vision of where you want to go has to be very, very clear from the beginning. ਜੇ ਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਹੈਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਪਾਵਾਂਗੇ. ਸੋ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਰੱਖੋ ਐਂਡ ਬੀ ਕੰਸਿਸਟੈਂਟ. keep coming again and again, again and again. Even if you're facing a problem, keep coming back to it again and again. ठीक है, रेस्ट लो, उस चीज़ ਨੂੰ एनालाइज करो, but keep coming back to it. Don't run away from it. So So yeah, just a quick thought I had. I'll share it with you guys, and see you in the next vlog. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Check out my other videos as well. I will see you in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.